if you could jump into your favorite Xbox games like Call of Duty or Fortnite in seconds? Stick around, because Xbox's latest home screen update is a game changer. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for gaming tech. Let's dive in. Xbox just dropped a massive update that lets you pin your top games right to the home screen. No more digging through menus to play what you love. Want to know how it works and why gamers are buzzing? Keep watching. Gamers, we spend hours every day grinding our favorite titles, right? But getting back to them can feel like a chore. Not anymore. Microsoft's rolling out a slick new home screen update that puts you in control. The star of the show? You can now pin up to 3 recently played games or apps directly to your home screen. Imagine this, you're hopping between Fortnite, EA FC 24, and Call of Duty. And now they're just one click away, no matter what else you open. It's a small tweak, but a huge time saver for gamers like us. But wait, there's more. Xbox is letting you hide system apps you don't use. If you're all about gaming, you can declutter your home screen to show only what matters. Your games. Clean, simple, and tailored to you. And it gets better. You can now tweak the number of visible tiles and adjust their size. Want a less crowded vibe? You got this. This makes your Xbox feel like your space, exactly how you want it. These changes are rolling out first to Xbox insiders, those lucky folks who test new features before the rest of us. But don't worry, it's coming to everyone soon. Xbox software lead Eden Marie said it best: home should feel like your space. And this update delivers on that promise. This isn't Microsoft's first rodeo. They revamped the home screen in 2023 with bigger backgrounds and smoother navigation. This new update builds on that, making the experience even more personal and snappy. So to recap, pin your top games, hide apps you don't need, and customize your tiles for the ultimate Xbox home screen. It's all about getting you into the action faster. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore grinder, this update's gonna make your Xbox experience smoother than ever. What do you think of this Xbox update? Are you excited to pin your favorite games? Drop a comment below and let's get the convo going. If you love this video, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest in gaming tech.